onion.
Let me try.
You have to swallow it. Oh God, it smells so bad. It smells so bad.
My turn. Let me try.
I can't make stop. It's burning my throat.
Here.
No, get it out of here.
Good one.
It
I'll get water.
smells so bad.
No, he doesn't want any. Sir, he doesn't
Hot.
want any.
Oh God.
He doesn't want any.
Your eyes are watering.
Here's water if you want. He doesn't want any.
Smells so bad.
What? See?
Let me see the onion. Swallow it. I'm sure it's good.
Oh Jesus. Oh, I'm crying. Oh God.
Let me see your eyes.
Mama's
See onion.
sleeping.
Oh, yuck. That is so gross. How was that for you?
I'm just gonna stop this.
You want some more?
No.
How was that onion for you?
Oh God, this is terrible. Why would I even consider doing this?
It's so gross.
What life choices have I made?
Let me see.
Oh God, that burns. Oh God, that burns even more.
You just touched your eyes with your fingers. You're gonna need some eye drops.
I need a freaking doctor. Oh Jesus.
What did Mommy tell you about choices and consequences?
You didn't tell me anything about this onion. You wanted me to do this.
That's what you get for choosing an onion when you go trick-or-treating.
Hey, it was pretty good.